how to make any mic sound better in Audacity for more professionalism. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So for now, we're just going to open up Audacity, and you can do this on literally anything you're on. So all you want to do is just go ahead, and we're just going to go ahead and open this properly. And then we just can start recording something. Obviously, you're going to have your own project, record whatever you want, whether it's a commentary or anything like that, and then just press stop once you're done. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is, firstly, we're going to strip the ambient room floor. So we're going to capture the noise profile. So before you start a recording, what you want to do is go ahead and wait for like 5 seconds and just leave a silent gap. So we're going to do that right now. And basically, the reason we do that is because we're going to highlight this initial part. And then we're going to go ahead and go over to Effect. And then we're going to see Noise Removal and Repair. And then we're going to see Noise Reduction. Now we're going to press Get Noise Profile. And then we're going to have to go ahead and press Control A to then highlight everything. Go back to the same place. So Effect, Noise Removal, Noise Reduction. And then we're going to press OK. And that's going to remove any background noise. Now what we want to do is we want to inject bass and depth. So we're going to highlight everything again by pressing Control A. Go to Effects, go to EQ and Filters, like so, and then go over to Graphic EQ. Then click the Presets and Settings utility box, which is going to be right there. And then select Factory Presets and then select Bass Boost. And then go ahead and click Apply right here. Now reopen the Graphic EQ panel node immediately, and then go ahead and click Presets again. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is select Treble Boost. So we're going to go ahead and select that as well. And then we just want to click apply on that too. After that, your sound should be a lot better.